Derek. We got all ready to go to church this morning. Derek's all dressed up, all shenanigans. But then he was coughing still from his RSV. Huh. And Emma's coughing too, so we all stayed home while Jonathan and Daddy went to church. Oh.